Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use threads for business and branding. So I will be on my threads and to effectively create posts on threads for business and branding. So what gonna do, you will just highlight product and services, use threads to showcase your specific products or services. So example, if you have like a online store, so what gonna do, you will just post it here, just tap on it and add some video clip. So if I just add it, and like if I have a shoes online store, so I will just showcase of the product with the video, and you will just add some interactive description of Nike Air Force shoes, and you will just also add some hashtags on the brand. You will just tag on the Nike running. So that's it. You will just like add hashtags on it, and you will just also post with visual likes, images and videos more to keep content engaging. Share behind the scenes looks at how products are made or highlight so team members to forest a personal connection with your audience. Okay, you will just post it. So you can also create a shareable content, develop a content that encourages word of mouth marketing. This could include memes, images, posts, or helping tips that followers will want to share. Engaging content can enhance your brand's visibility as follower. So I think it's work for your business, and you can just by implementing these strategies, business can effectively utilize threads to enhance their branding efforts and engage meaningful with their audience, because it's also connected with the Instagram. So your Instagram audience will be collaborate with these threads. So this is you can just use to threads for your grow business and branding. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.